This video is a quick introduction to reports. There are currently 6 reports available, which are located in the application menu. Let's start with the current inventory report. A table will open listing all devices currently in inventory. Click on a column title to sort by highest and lowest value. You can search across all columns, by stock number, by make, and so on. There are different filters in each report. Here, you can filter by the days since a device is reported. You can save reports as an Excel, CSV, or PDF. Save either the full list of devices or your filtered results. Here is the report saved as an Excel and a PDF file. Make sure to clear the filter and search bar to view the initial report. You can also select how many devices are shown per page. In this report, you can click on a stock number. A new tab will open displaying the device's location and details. You can also schedule reports to be sent to selected recipients. Click Schedule a Report. Enter the report details and select the report format. Choose when to send the report. Finally, select who will receive the report and click Save. When finished with the report, click Close Window to return to the map. Let's look at the low battery voltage report. This report shows devices with a low or dead battery. You can filter by battery health. You can also change the number of volts that determine whether a device has a low or dead battery. Next is the Vehicle Sold report. This report displays which vehicles have been sold and which have a tracking contract. You can filter by date by choosing the date ranges provided or selecting a custom range. You can also filter by vehicles that have been sold with or without a tracking device. Next is the All Devices and Inventory report. The map focuses on tracking devices and doesn't show inventory without a device. This report displays both. You can filter by vehicles with a device, vehicles with no device, devices that have not been installed, and more. Finally, there is Device Install report. Devices are installed by linking vehicles with a device using the phone app. This report shows which devices have been installed. You can filter by date and by devices that were successfully installed or not. Use the search bar here to filter by the person who installed a device. Let's look at Report Manager. Report Schedules shows all reports you have scheduled and are subscribed to. You can edit a report you scheduled by clicking on the report name. You can delete a report you scheduled by clicking the trash icon. Unsubscribe from a schedule by clicking the bell icon. Report Inbox shows all reports you have received. Download a report by clicking on the download icon. Click Close Window to return to the map. Make sure to check out the other videos available to help you get comfortable using the LandAirSea Synchronize site. Thanks for watching.